Did you do OPP? Other people's money. I'm sorry, other people's properties. That property wasn't mine. I got it from my seller. You used OPP, didn't you? Did you do OPM? Other people's money? In reality, you created money. Yes, you made the spread on the loan you got, meaning you paid less than what you got, so you got to keep the difference. But really, the extra from you owing 50 to you selling it at 70, that is all paper. It is just, you created that money. And now these people are paying you monthly. So this is a perfect example of OPM and OPP.